Alright, the first thing we did when we got here is found out where the sun was. It's on the other side of this building over here and it's going down. So it's not going to be directly facing our beautiful subject, handsome subject, Mason. So I'm going to try to shoot it without flash just to see what it looks like. I don't like to do that. That's not how I do scenery pictures, but just for training purposes. I'm going to start with F4. I have a 24 to 105 lens to get a wide angle shot of this whole building. And I'm going to go up to about 200, maybe about 400, just to see what I get. First thing you want to do before is clear your card. You don't want to have everybody's images on the same, but make sure you're taking them off. Alright. I like to shoot at for something like this at a down angle looking up. It actually looks, you're not going to be able to see much, I don't think. Color and all looks good, but I want it darker. So I'm going to go up on that shutter speed. I was at 500, we're going to go to 800. Now when we're going to put Mason in there, it changes things because I need to make sure I have enough light on him. Because as I went up, it gets darker. Okay. That's where the background darker. In the front, you want to be able to see. All right, Mason, go stand. Face down this way. Oh yeah, perfect. I'm getting it's a good coloring all around. I would like to get even less with the top, so I'm gonna go up on aperture a little bit, but I'm gonna come up on my ISO too. And see what that does. And it's very hard to see the back of the screen with in the broad sun. And in something like this, I would have to, let's see, to get more light on him. On this flash, I'm gonna go down to like 1/16 just to give a little bit of pop of light. So I don't want it flashing on him to look like a flash on his face. All right. Put his hand here. Like that. 1 foot up. Do that pose and then I'll fix you. All right. Now if he's standing there, I want to be to where he's got to turn and face me like this. Alright, and with this flash going on him, I'm going to try to shoot at 4.5, shutter speed of 200, and 160. I'm going to take one just to see what it looks like. And then I'll adjust it. hand up. Other hand up. Lean into it. Lean, get real close. Because this could be a close up for me. Right there. Woo. See how cute that is. Don't get embarrassed. It's hard being a model. Sit down a little bit. I'm also going to switch the light now because he's facing this way and I want a little bit light to see his face. Chin down a little bit. Turn a little bit more. Right there. And I have a problem with camera tilt. It's not a problem, but I just like it. Turn your face a little bit this way. Turn, turn. Chin down a little bit. Give me a little smile. A little bit more. Now I wouldn't take this picture full body just because I'm really going for the top look, not his whole the whole thing. It's just really the arm pulls and that up. So, alright, we're good on that one. Chin down a little bit. A little bit up. Right there. You can tell already it's dark in here. I have to fix that. Yeah, I barely could see him. Because we moved into the building, I have to go as low as I can on the aperture. And I'm going to up the ISO. Still putting a tiny bit of flash on him. Chin down a little bit. That's some pretty light. Look, just your eyes here. Because it's not, it's coming in, but it like, this is really pretty. It's coming in, but it's not harsh anywhere. Chin down. Like this is the place if you could shoot inside here all day long, that's what you want to do. Alright. It's gonna get harder, but see that opening of that window? Like, yeah, let's try that. The picture is going to be a silhouette in the background light. So kind of sit on there. I'm not going to be worried about seeing your face now. You're going to be dark. Kind of put a foot up to the side a little bit higher. Yeah. Just kind of lean and see what this looks like. I don't even need to turn the light on too much. I'm going to put the f-stop up and shutter speed. I didn't know y'all moved down the canal. Been a long time. 4 years. I was going to know. Oh, I love it.
I use my circle around.
Maybe we can put this, the farmland probably thing I told y'all can get down. Right? Alright, now that I got the flashback on, I gotta go back down. Let's say 200. Try the ISO at 250. Still not bright enough. You can go down to 32. Because I put that flash power so low, down to 250. Chin down a little bit. Look here, just your eyes. Big smile. As big as it gets. Turn your face to me. Big smile. All about growing here. Mason, give me a model pose. Give me a model face. Like stare into the camera. Look here at me. Get out a little bit, just so they're not exactly the same. Alright, stay looking down like that. So as much as I can to 100. And up on my f-stop. And 200 on my shutter speed. And now it's getting a little bit, almost close to what I want. So I'm going to go down on my f-stop. Perfect. Alright. Turn and look this way. Turn your body, almost like hanging off the front of it, like 1 foot off this side. Turn your face this way a little bit. Let your hair loose, like not so tight. Kind of let it go.